All right, welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. Tonight we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test out and review
a brand new heater.
This heater right here. We're bringing this out to the cabin. It runs off the little propane tanks, and we're gonna see how well it keeps us warm. Right now it's about 35 degrees out, and it's supposed to dip down to somewhere in the 20s tonight. But we're gonna go ahead and get loaded up, get out there. We'll get another temperature inside the cabin, see what it's at, and then we'll get this thing running, and we'll see how well it does. So, all right, here we go. Yeah, it's about 38 on here, so it's a little bit warmer. Alright, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect it. That's pretty cool. These little 1-pound tanks, they fit flush with this and right on the inside. So that's pretty handy. Okay, so it says push knob to ignite pilot. After lit, hold for 30 seconds, release, and turn to desired setting. All right. So
No. I don't know exactly, Dad, so I won't do it. If heater does not light, hold down for approximately 30 seconds, release and depress again. Repeat until pilot lights.
Okay, so I think pressing and holding this down is going to circulate the propane through it to fill up the hoses. It says to do it for 30 seconds.
Yep, 30 seconds, release and depress again.
And then release and depress again. Okay.
And it lit. Oh, it's actually like light.
So you can see the flame down there. And now we can lift off the knob. And then let's go ahead and turn it up. Oh, there it goes. Let's get this sucker cranking.
It's gonna light that thing on fire.
Woo, that's kicking off some heat already.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Wow, that's actually pretty good. That's like instant heat. You can feel it.
We also have those hot hands.
Now, on the high setting, it's going to run roughly 2.5 hours. And on this low setting here, if you turn it to low, it's going to run about 5.4. Obviously, give or take, that's just the estimate that they had on there. So we'll just kick it on high for right now and see how toasty we can get it in here. Because I can still kind of see my breath, but it's
That's what I've been doing back here.
You getting warm?
Yeah.
My hands are warm. Alright, you just
Would we leave this on all night?
No, it doesn't.
And obviously, the kids up in their loft, because heat rises, it's going to get nice and toasty up there for them.
And we're gonna have all of our stuffed animals up there.
All right, so we'll cut to a break and then we'll come back and we'll go ahead and check the temperature again and see how we're doing.
Aren't we gonna bring our stuffed animals up? Okay, so what's up?
Okay, let's get some more light in here. Let's use our homemade birchwood lamp that we made.
Put a link at the end of the video. Okay, ready?
There we go.
No, you need to put this over here.
All right. Fall, that'll literally cut right into your leg. It'll like cut and. This isn't like a thick rope. This axe is like almost like a knife. That thin of a rope. If you were to follow
Let's go
that.
get our stuff. Jesse. Can you just like
Oh no.
do one round with the snowmobile so we can put all the stuff in the sled?
I'm gonna bring you guys back.
Okay.
So we can start loading stuff up and bringing it out.
Okay, Jesse.
Ow, my tooth. Oh my gosh. I mean lip.
All right. So let's head back. Let that warm up for a little bit, and then we'll come back and check it out. You guys ready?
No, I just fell.
Some of you might remember that seat from the last snowmobile episode where Olaf ate my seat. It's holding up really good. All right. Head in there, Mage.
Oh, Major's here. Major, help. Hey, Major, get all these loaded out. I'm gonna stay in here. Major, come on. You guys go back.
All right, you guys get all your stuff. I got it. Oh, it's warm in here. All right, so we're all set up in here. Got the little heater going. And the kids are up in the loft with like 1,000 stuffed animals.
Hi. Oh, you got dumped out.
What is going on up here?
It's crazy. This is crazy. Major, look at
Oh my god!
Okay, let's clear out like a
Oh
window for Major.
That is like I'm hydrated. I'm like sinking.
Major, you're gonna sleep off right here.
Piggy, my piggy. My two little piggies.
It's pretty warm in here now, right?
I'm hot up here.
Don't
Yeah.
take a video of me.
You guys are hot up there?
Okay, yeah, do it. I'm famous.
So here's the thermometer, and it is, jeez, it's almost 90 degrees in here. So that little thing is kicking out some heat. I actually just turned it down because it was getting too hot. Put it back down to almost low on there. But this thing works pretty good. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. And it's perfect for out here. And yeah, so we're going to spend the night. And I got a couple more propane tanks. And I'm going to change another one out later on tonight. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, seems to be working pretty good. Nice and toasty out here. So it's pretty toasty out here. And I'm going to let the kids play. They got all their stuffed animals from the house that were just taking up space and they wanted to bring out here. So they're all up in the loft with them now. And they're having a good time up there. Oh, yeah. So, all right.
What's up? Subscribe to Daniel Likes Trains.
Do not.
Okay. So, what do we got here, Danny?
Follow me.
Uno Attack. A not so new game anymore, but new to us. We played the original Uno. Deck looks a little different, and I guess we're just gonna open it up.
All right, go ahead and open it up, and we'll get it together. And the heater is working good. It's actually turned all the way down on low.
And it's super, super warm in here. Warmer than the house.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah, I don't even feel anymore. Let's see which one
Here,
goes
Major.
first.
Press that button.
Hold it down. No.
Okay.
That is...
Pick.
Oh,
Two.
twice. One.
That was not fair. No, it's so not fair. Yeah.
Oh, you're still gonna do it again.
Yeah, you got one more to go.
Aww.
Okay, you got lucky on that one.
And then later it comes...
Press this
One.
twice. Yeah, one.
Oh! She just got shot at.
Press again.
Literally. Ooh, and I have another one.
Yes, literally.
Oop.
You need to press it again,
Are
Jamie.
these Jamie's too?
Yeah, those are
Jamie, you're getting a big stockpile.
Okay, one more, Jamie.
Oh, I have a big. Okay, you're
Okay.
lucky.
Woo!
Press it.
Major!
Okay, the moment you all been waiting for.
Yes! Shoot the gun.
Okay, so that was a fun game.
Put your hands up.
We'll definitely have to play again. Oh, jeez. All right. So, all right, that was pretty fun. We'll have to play again.
What are my things? Tell me anything.
So that was pretty fun, and we stayed warm the whole time thanks to this little heater.
You gonna shoot it at me, girl?
Still on low.
Get your seat.
Working good and nice and roasty toasty in here.
Pick up the card. Dated in the hospital. What? Dated in the hospital. I'm fun, baby.
Okay, so it's 10 o'clock, and it's time for a change out. It finally went out.
I need
Here
a
you-
shirt. I have a magic trick.
You want to hold this for me?
Oh,
You
yeah.
can hold it right there, Jamie.
Did catch me the magic trick. So I'm gonna make
Whew, look at it's kind of iced up on there.
a pile. Ready?
Ooh, what's in my...
Wait, what? What are you doing? Making 4 connect. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
And these are 1 pound tanks. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on how to refill these from regular propane tanks coming up, and I'll put a link in the description.
Go.
So we'll put a new 1 pound tank in. So this lasted roughly about 5 hours, which is pretty good because we had it on high for a little bit and then put it back down to low and pretty much kept it at low the rest of the time because it got really hot in here.
Why did it turn?
Okay, so it's the next morning. Quick review. Went through a couple tanks. They work really good. Didn't have any issues with anything.
Hot up there.
Yeah.
Hot.
How was it?
It was hot. I was like in a t-shirt and like it was hot.
Okay, yeah, it was pretty hot. I actually had to crack the door and then even keeping it on low. So it definitely heats up pretty good. At least in this small cabin, worked really good. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's also good to know that it has that O2 oxygen sensor shut off. So if the gases from the propane, you don't get carbon monoxide poisoning because it detects the level of oxygen in the air and it'll actually shut off. It didn't do that, obviously. I actually opened the door because it was just getting too hot. But worked out great. And we got our little electric heater there to use, you know, if we weren't feeling comfortable with it. So we had that as the backup. And but everything worked good. And this little portable buddy, Mr. Heater, works out really good. And so, well, we hope you guys like.
Subscribe to my channel, Danny Likes Trains.
Check his channel out. I'll put a link in the description.
Yay.
And we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the wrap up. We all had a good time out in the cabin. Was it warm, guys?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the heater worked great. Couple things today. We'd like to wish Grandpa Phil a happy birthday. So everybody, happy birthday! It's Groundhog's Day, his birthday. And we also, it's Super Bowl Sunday. And we also just hit our 100 subscriber mark this morning, which it's fun. It's not 1,000 yet, but we're getting there. So, but we're doing good and hope you guys like.
And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
That's right.
Okay.
Catch you on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.